Welcome back to Giggle Thinkers! Are you ready to play and learn? Delightful and safe, messy play activities kids will love. Let's giggle, guess, and grow together! What can you use to paint with besides a brush? A. Fork. What's fun to squish between your fingers? B. Play-Doh. What do you wear to protect clothes during messy play? B. Apron or smock. What happens when you mix blue and yellow paint? C. Green. What's fun to dig in with toy shovels and cups? A. Sand. What do you call painting with your hands? B. Hand painting. What safe kitchen item is fun to play with when dry or wet? A. Rice. What can you build a silly castle with outside? B. Mud. What does shaving cream feel like? B. Fluffy and smooth. What's something soft and squishy that's fun to squeeze? A. Sponge. What might you find in a sensory bin? B. Colored pasta. What do you smell during messy play with soap bubbles? B. Clean soapy scent. What do you do after a messy play day? B. Take a bath or wash up. What does slime feel like? A. Sticky and stretchy. Why is messy play important? A. It helps us learn and have fun. What can you do with finger paint? B. Make colorful art. What kind of messy play can you do with jelly or gelatin? B. Squish and explore it. What do we call a place filled with different messy materials to touch? B. Sensory station. Which messy material melts when you hold it? A. Ice. What should you do before and after messy play? B. Wash your hands. Thank you for watching Giggle Thinkers. Make sure to subscribe for more learning and fun.